This is the worked examples video for density. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, use density equals mass over volume. Second, rearrange it to find mass or volume. And third, keep the units consistent. Here's the equation. Density, shown by the Greek letter ρ, equals mass divided by volume. In the triangle, mass goes on top, with density and volume underneath. Cover what you want. Cover density and you get mass over volume. Cover mass and you get density times volume. Cover volume and you get mass over density. Let's find a density. A block has a mass of 240 grams and a volume of 30 cubic centimetres. Write the equation. Density equals mass over volume. Substitute 240 divided by 30. That gives 8 grams per cubic centimetre, denser than water, so it would sink. Now a rearrangement. Oil has a density of 0.8 grams per cubic centimetre. Find the mass of 50 cubic centimetres of it. Cover mass in the triangle. Mass equals density times volume. Substitute 0.8 times 50. That's 40 grams. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A 60 G object has volume 20 cm3. Find its density. Question 2. Water has density 1 GCm3. Find the mass of 250 cm3. Question 3. A metal of density 3 GCm3 has mass 90 Gray. Find its volume. Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1, 3G CM3, P, M, V, 6020. Number 2, 250 G, M, She, P, X, V, C1, X 250. Number 3, 30 CM3, V, C, M, P, C93. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.